Hello, I'm Czardus, and let's take a look at the Find It 2 mod today. So I'm going to bring you a tutorial on the Find It 2 mod today, and hopefully you will find that helpful. If you do enjoy these tutorials, be sure to give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe for more. But anyway, what I want to talk about is the Find It 2 mod, and to get this to work, you need to make sure that you have the mod Harmony 2.0.1. Now, it may be a different number by the time that you are looking at this video, but at the time of recording, that is the most recent version of the Harmony mod. The Harmony mod works in the background and is necessary for the Find It mod to work. There are a few other mods that also rely on Harmony, so it is pretty much a good mod to take a look at and have on hand anyway. Now, the Find It mod, you can really use it a lot for trying to find pretty much anything in the game at all. It is really useful for custom content and also for vanilla, or like for getting vanilla content for the game as well. So you find it down here, it's the magnifying glass, and there are different things here. Let's take a quick overview of the panel. So here you have different ways that you can filter out the different assets. We have network, tree, ploppable, growable, props, and decals. There's different types of assets that you can take a look at. Then you can also come over here, and this is the same thing. Those are the same stuff as that button over there. Then you can also, although if you go to growable, you can also sort by the different, or filter by the different types of growables. Or if you go to props, there are different types of props too that you can filter by. Decals, there's really only random or like one type of decal. Trees, there are different sizes. And ploppable, there's different types of ploppable and different types of networks as well. It's really, really useful for all of that. Then the other thing you can do is you can now sort by or filter by whether it's custom or vanilla. So here there should be nothing here, but stuff where I guess you're not really filtering it out. It's kind of strange that stuff showed up. It threw me off, let's put it that way. But anyway, then you can also use this button to sort by relevance or by recently subscribed assets. And right now it says new assets. These are the ones that I most recently subscribed to. Relevance, it goes by alphabetical. And so that is how they show up there. Now, custom tags you can also do. Let's come in here and say, like here, the beta busway, we want to put a tag on there. Let's see, do I have any existing ones? No. Here, we'll do test tag. Enter. So now there is a test tag. Oh, I made two. I guess putting a space in there makes a new tag. But if we come in here, we can sort by that tag. So that is useful as well. And we can do different things with these tags. You can delete the tags. You can manage them through this custom tag panel. Then over here we have extra filters, and you can filter by asset creators. So like, say I want to see all of Avanya's creations. You can hit the box here and then select her name, and then you have all of these that are by Avanya. Now I think we want to get rid of custom or get rid of vanilla. And these should all just be the ones by Avanya. Or you could go to, say, Mr. Mason, and there you have his assets that he's created. There's also building height you can sort by. Say you want a building that is at least, I don't have any that tall, say 200 meters tall. Then you can come here and select skyscraper, and that is 200 meters tall. Or you don't want any that are more than 20 meters tall. There you have them. Or 10 meters tall, and so on and so forth. That is useful. Building level, sub-buildings, unused assets. Oh, that's a really useful one too. There's a way to sort here. These are things that I haven't used at all in this build. That is very nice. And then ones with a custom tag. Let's select nothing shows up without a custom tag. So those are all useful extra features. Then additionally, you have a few other options. You can change the way it's sorted. You can change the background color, make it easier to see darker items or lighter colored items. And I've got an autosave here, so it'll just take a moment. And then also, I really like this feature too. Show the number of existing instances. And you can go in here and close that now. You can see I've used this one 5 times and that one 4 times. And you can see all of those different things. That is useful. It would also be nice if I could filter out the ones that are unused, but I'm not quite sure there is a way to do that. Oh, here, show used assets. Oh, look at that, nice. You can see how many times I've used this grass, 310,000 times on this map, which is pretty fun. But those are pretty much the main features. Then the sort or the searching options, you have different ways that you can do this. So say we want to search for palm trees. We just type in palm and let's go to filter by tree. So these are all the assets that have palm in their name. Say we don't want any palms, then we put an exclamation point first. Now it has excluded any assets that have palm in the name. Let's say we want a custom tag. I don't think I had any. Did I take that tag out? Yeah, so we could search by the custom tag. I already deleted it apparently. But that's one thing you can do. You do a hashtag for tag and then type in your tag. Another one you can do is the plus sign. So the plus means that you're going to search for that. So let's say date. And then we want to do plus, let's do BH, maybe. That does that or, oh yeah, that plus is or. So let's then do a search for ferns. So now we have anything that has fern or date in it. And so that is very useful. If we put a space then, and then just type in, say, date, then we get things that have date or wait, I have date twice, don't I? We want palm. Palm. Let's do that. So now it's doing date or fern and palm. So it wants to know, or like, yeah, date and palm there. And I don't think we're going to have any that are fern and palm, but that is one way to do that there. Then you can also combine things. So say we want to exclude the PH. Let's get rid of those. Exclamation point PH. So now it will remove anything that had the PH in there. So that is another way to really narrow it down. But that is it for the Find It mod. And you can have a quick look at my city, which apparently is having some trouble. So we're going to go this way so that you can't see it. But anyway, that's it. So I hope you found that tutorial useful. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. And I hope you stick around for more. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Take care.